Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing out the thermostat in my LBZ Duramax. It's running pretty low temps, probably around like 75 to 80, if that. Like it was minus 25 yesterday and I was driving and it hardly got off 70. So obviously one's stuck open. I'm going to try these Mishimoto. These are supposed to be running about a little higher temp. They're supposed to be good for the winter, so I'll change them out, see if that helps. So pretty much I'm just gonna try to sneak that up without having taken too much apart. So I already got my this out of the way. You're gonna wanna plug that hole because there's gonna be a bunch of coolant coming, draining down there. So obviously lifted truck problems. Actually this works pretty slick actually. So I'm just gonna plug this hole and then so these are pretty much all 12 mils. So might as well unhook these clips here. Let's get the electrical out of the way. Okay, so looks like there's a few here. What's over here? Okay, now we got everything loose. I got everything loose here. Yeah, I should be able to sneak them out. So as far as alignment goes, I believe if you look here, I don't know if you can see, but at the very back there, it's kind of facing like that. So we'll just put it the same. This one doesn't matter which way, it's just same all the way around. Just make sure you got everything clean too. And the gaskets are set in here. And then yeah, you should just put it back down. So I'm just gonna put the filler neck back in here, and then can fill it back up with coolant and take it for a drive, see if that helps. So just hook up our electrical. Just gonna leave that screw open while I add some coolant, run through. Okay, well, now I got it all kind of cleaned up. And I topped up all the coolant. Just fire it up and take it outside. I'm gonna take it for a drive. It's about minus 25 today, so I'll see if that helps at all. Now I got it nice and warmed up. It's about minus 17 right now, and running just about 100. So that definitely fixed it. It blows nice and hot air now. Yeah, before it was pretty much the needle would hardly move off the